Welcome to TDS Online Math. How do we solve for x here? We are given x minus 4 on 2022, okay, plus x minus 3 on 2023, plus x minus 2 on 2024 equals to 3. Alright, now if you try to find the LCM of this, that, and that, it will be complicated. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Now, we are going to send the 3 in, and then I think that one will work. We will try and then distribute the 3 in. Remember, when we send the 3 in, it will be negative 3. So I'll make this side x minus 4 on 2022 plus x minus 3 on 2023 plus x minus 2 on 2024 minus 3 equals to 0. Now this is what we are going to do. Alright, so the next step will be, now remember minus 3 is the same as minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 is minus 3. So I'm going to use this analogy to group these 3. So the first one will be x minus 4 on 2022. So I'll just add the add negative 1 to this. So we have minus 3 here. So I have distributed the first one to the first term, and I'll do same to the second one, then the last one. So x minus plus x minus 3 on 2023. So I'll just add the next number. Okay, so I'm done with this, now with that. Plus 20 x minus 2 2024. So that also bear the negative 1 equals to 0. Now it means this minus 3 has been distributed evenly. So we have 1, 2, 3. That is minus 3. Now from here, we can make this side over 1. So we can find the LCM of the first term. So the LCM is 2022. So this one in 1 times the numerator is x minus 4. 1 into this is 2022 times that minus 2022 plus. So we have second term 2023 in this x minus 3 times that minus 2023 plus the last term 2024. I have x minus 2 minus 2024 equal to 0. Okay, now from here the numerator will be x, so minus 4 minus 2022 will be minus 2026 on 2022. On this side minus 3 minus 2023 will be x minus 2026 2023, and this one will be x minus 2026 2024 equal to 0. Okay. From here, we can take the numerator out. Let's observe the numerator. So we have x minus 2026, x minus 2026, x minus 2026. So when we have a on x plus a on y plus a on m, the same as a out, 1 on x plus 1 on y plus 1 on m. So we have this one. So we can take x minus 2026 out. X minus 2026. So I believe it 1 on 2022. I've taken this one. 2022 plus 1 on 2023 plus 1 on 2024 equal to 0. So let's check. Yeah. From here, this one times that equal to 0, and we can write this one as 0 times 0. So what it means is that this one is equal to 0 and this one is equal to 0. Remember, we can also apply the 0 product. So from here, this one is equal to 0 and this one is equal to 0. So what value of x will make this one complete? Okay, when this side is x minus 2026 equal to 0, so x minus 2026, let's add 2026 to both sides. So this side will go, my x is 2026. As simple as that. So once I plug in 2026, everything will be 0. All right. Thanks for watching.